Ryan. I'm with Rubcorp Resurfacing. I'm one of the owners. We're located in Denver, Colorado. It's actually a small family-run business here. We bought the company back in 2017. And Rubcorp Resurfacing has been a Denver-based, family-based company since 1986 when it was first founded. I actually did an estimate for a customer for his interior pool deck at his own residence, and he was asking for the rubber. And I couldn't offer it, and then from there I started digging into it, and I actually found you guys, and I scheduled the training, and off we went. The rubber really got my interest in the fact that it works with all four seasons that Colorado has to offer. We got pretty hot summers, and then we got pretty cold winters, and the rubber doesn't, and we always have concrete that's moving and stretching with the different seasons, so the rubber stretches and moves with it, so it's a very durable product for what we have here. We do a mixture of both. Depends on time of year, really. We do a lot of work for the ski towns here in Colorado. And in the winter and in the summer, they are in their heavy tourism season, so we can't do a lot of work up there. So in the fall and spring, we do more work up there, and in the summer and stuff, we do a lot more residential. But I'd say we were still more 50-50. Yeah, we do everything from trailers. We actually do quite a few driveways as well here in Colorado. We do trailers, we do some equine stuff. A lot of back patio stuff like that. Just everything from their front porches. We're doing a front porch today. Depending on the color, you can make it really look nice. I would say there's three different things that I've heard a lot of feedback from the customers on. One of our big customer bases is because of Rubcorp's previous history of doing the natural stone stuff. We do a lot of work going over the top of old stone installs. And the amount of feedback I get on people saying how nice it is to walk on barefoot on their patio stuff compared to the stone and stuff, that is probably the number one thing that people say. Number two is probably the ease of maintenance, especially if they're going from the old stone product. There's really not a lot of reseals and stuff like that, where the stone they had to reseal it every 18 months to 2 years type of thing. And the other, depending on the install and stuff, the durability. So we do quite a bit of work for equine and stuff like that. Yeah, we do have a website. It's just rubcorpresurfacing.com. We are also on Facebook, and we have an Instagram account that is starting to get up and get more posting and stuff like that. So you can find us on social media as well.